Hello and welcome to the video. This was going to be a quick video, an update about these things here. These are the little lithium ion cells, AA size, that provides a very solid 1.5 volts. Now I did a video a couple of months ago now and I've been using them ever since in everything, including the microphone that I'm currently recording on, and they have worked spectacularly well. I have been using them with the XTAR VX4 charger that I had back then. I've also gone and got myself one of the L4 little baby versions of that stays in my bag that I take out with me when I go filming. Just a great way to just top them up and manage them all via a USB cable. However, I've liked these AA's so much that I've actually invested in a set of these things here. These are the XTAR AAA, their latest versions, which are the high capacity. These are the 1620 milliamp hour, or about 1000 milliamp hours, and these things are good for about 1200 cycles. Takes about 1.9 hours to take it from empty to a full charge. Has the same kind of protection on it that the AA's do, with a little LED at the end that lights up when it's charging, and has short circuit protection and all those things. So far, touch wood, it's been very, very good. However, it turns out that events have overtaken me, because I had a plan to do a video and update you on this stuff before I went on my family holiday. However, it turns out that these guys are celebrating their 18th anniversary. And they got in touch while I was away to talk about a product that is new, that's just come out, and that's this thing here. This is the XTAR VX4, significantly larger than the other chargers I've had in from these guys, and this will do an awful lot more than just the basic charger that we've been looking at, which is really designed specifically around those 1.5 volt lithium ion cells in AA and AAA sizes. This VX4 is a special anniversary thing that they're doing here. It's an all-in-one charger for modern batteries that we use in the radio control hobby. It'll do everything from 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride through 1.5 volt, 3.2, 3.6 volt stuff. It's also a 1.5 volt lithium ion battery capacity tester. It'll go all the way up to 21700 size. Also has low voltage recovery in this as well. And it comes with both the cable and the wall adapter, so you can plug all that stuff in. Now, I use a lot of 18650s and 21700s and 18600s and 18500s, lots of weird different sizes. The cool thing is this just kind of fits it because it has those spring-loaded contacts, and you can set it up including the custom charge current. It's much faster, I find, to pull the batteries out the back of a radio and charge it in this than it is if it's a built-in battery like an 18650 Caddy or 21700s. But the really nice thing is, and the reason that I'm making this video now, is that with it being the 18th anniversary for these guys, they have offered one of these and got in touch and said, would you like to offer one of these to your viewers as a prize? And as I have been incredibly happy with these AA and AAA batteries, and I'm using them, and I'm using this as well and liking it as well, I thought, why not? That sounds like a great idea. So, to be in with a chance in the prize draw of winning this thing, and I'm going to be drawing the names out of the hat in only about 48 hours, so you don't have long if you want to stick a comment down below here. If you want to be in a chance, then standard stuff, like, comment and subscribe, or make sure you're subscribed if you already are to the channel, and include the word XTAR in there as well, and I will pull the names out of the hat using a random comment picker. There are some links below for you to go and check out. Go and check out all that additional stuff, and thanks to XTAR for offering this as a prize to my viewers. That's very thoughtful, but again, above and beyond this draw which I've been talking about, and I might make a video getting into a little bit more detail in the coming month or two, don't forget there's actually these AA and AAA's that I'm getting a lot of fun out of. I'm actually using these in lots of different places, both in the ready to fly radios, in microphones and all kinds of stuff I have in here. The only drawback is that they're a little DC to DC converter that lives inside here that takes the lithium ion battery voltage down to the 1.5 volts. Does generate a little bit of AM interference. I'm not finding any issues with that, with the flying that I'm doing or the mics I'm using. I haven't found any issues at all. But if you're sticking this in some like an AM radio, you might be able to hear that buzz from that conversion happening. The only other downside, if it is a downside, is that the way that the voltage drops off, and I talked about this in the original video, is pretty linear. It stays at 1.5 until the cell is nearly discharged, and then it drops it down so that things like your low voltage warning can be seen. You don't have that kind of linear discharge drop off that you do with a regular alkaline battery. So you just have to watch for that too. But again, like, comment, subscribe, links down below. Good luck to everybody that's going to join in part of this. And thank you again to XTAR for providing this unit for a giveaway for my viewers. Best of luck. I'll see you all in a couple of days to pull the name out the hat. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.